Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a very important video for the future of your trading, so I recommend sticking around. It's not going to be too long. I want to talk about a fully automated trading strategy that has basically just been brought to my attention. I'm working with the developer on it as well. It is basically a fully automated strategy, as I said, based off of crack spreads with gasoline and crude oil. And so far in our testing, it is working really well. The developer just passed his first 150K evaluation with Apex using this exact strategy. I think it took him about 15 trading days, roughly, to pass. And so far, I started my 150K evaluation testing the strategy out about 4 days ago, and the first day was about a $1,200 loss. Second day was a $300 win. Third day was a $1,400 win, and fourth day was a $2,000 win. So far it is working. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on it, but so far, I would say this is the best automated strategy I've ever seen. It's much better than Polarity ATI. Well, Polarity ATI is kind of a separate thing. It's not fully automated. This is literally fully automated, and this is kind of how it looks. There's a little bit more on the screen when you're actually trading. Right now it's Saturday, so market's not open. But basically the gist of it is we're still developing it. But in the strategy you can select the time frame, and I basically just have it on while I sleep. So from about 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when we have it enabled right now. And that's what our testing has been. And we're just testing every single day. Some days typically don't work as good as others, but we're still testing out those days to try and get a hopeful worst case scenario on the strategy. And right now, I'll just say it looks promising. We have maybe one or two other people testing out the strategy right now, but we're going to be releasing it most likely in the next few weeks. So keep your eyes peeled for that. You're going to want to join the Discord to get the news on that. The Discord is also running a 10% off sale for Labor Day. It's not going to last too much longer, only until Tuesday. So I recommend jumping on that because we're not going to have a sale in there for a while again. But yeah, it's literally fully automated. I mean, all you have to do is go into your strategies. You'd click enabled, right? And then that's about it. Then there'll be something that pops up. I can do a back test on this if you guys like, but according to mine and the developer's back tests, seems like the live data so far has been outperforming our back tests, because back tests aren't fully accurate, and so far our live tests are working better than expected. So there's some good news. It's literally a fully automated system. You make money while you sleep. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update. And if you guys are interested, please leave a comment below and join the Discord. All right, that's where a lot of the news is going to be. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hearing about something. And stay tuned for more great content, guys. I'll see ya.